Property owners throughout Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey, turn to All Pro Roofing when they need a dependable roof replacement contractor dedicated to quality, reliability, and long-lasting results. We provide expert roof replacement, roof repair, roof installation, emergency roof repair, residential roofing, and commercial roofing services tailored to the unique needs of every property. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing. Do I need larger gutters for a new roof? In many cases, a roof replacement or new roof installation can increase water runoff, making larger rain gutters beneficial for improving drainage and reducing the risk of overflow. At All Pro Roofing, we evaluate your entire roofing and drainage system to determine the best solution for your property. Can gutters prevent basement flooding? A well-designed gutter system collects rainwater from your roof and directs it away from your home's foundation through downspouts and drainage pathways. At All Pro Roofing, we understand that protecting your home requires both a durable roof and an effective gutter system. What is your service area? Our All Pro Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: Morristown, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Deptford, Cinnaminson, Pennsauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, Burlington County, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro Roofing office located? We are located at 257 Ramblewood Parkway, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054, United States. Our phone number is 856-443-4993. Visit our website, https://a.proofer.com/Mount-Laurel-Township-NJ.